make the artwork on the hard things and the words of affirmation. This is very easy way to show some colors to bring someone's life.
On Pebble, we will be doing some fun activities that promote kindness, empathy, and responsibility.
We learn how to make positive impact in our environment, show the kindness and compassion to those around us,